Hi guys, today I'm here to talk to you about the Tedswoodworking program. You will see if it works, if it's just a scam, if you will be able to construct things with it, so stay tuned. So what will you see in this review? I will introduce you to this revolutionary program, which is the richest in information and plans that I have known. I will also show you how to put effort in projects, having fun and being productive at the same time. So, before we keep going, I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel, click the link below to learn all about woodworking, and give me your thumbs up. Also, stay with me until the end of this video, and I will show you the real pros and cons of the program. So I'm here today to talk to you about Tedswoodworking program. This is such a revolutionary program. It works for newbies, experts, and everyone in between them. I lost a lot of time trying to watch online videos that would help me woodworking, but nothing was ever as I expected, so I spent a lot of time on things that didn't help me at all. But first, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about myself. My name is Spencer and I'm very shy, so you won't be seeing my face in this video. But the real important thing here is the message that I'm going to give you, right? I've always been a crazy DIY person, but I have never tried woodworking before. This was completely new for me, and I'm sure that if it worked for me, it will work for you. And everything changed when I started using Tedswoodworking program, and I am sure that it will change you as well. So first, talking a little bit about what is this program, right? So for those of you who doesn't know what it is, well, the program brings tons of plans and quality information about everything you need to know to start woodworking. It has lots of downloadable material guides that will help you as well through the process. The videos are also very helpful if you think you are missing a few steps or if you're a little bit lost while doing the project, and if you find a little bit hard to follow the plans, it will help you as well. So I also brought you a few testimonials, and you can see these testimonials and a lot more on the official website. So I will leave it a little bit for you to read it. But now that I've come to the part that I promised you about, the pros and the cons. But first, talking a little bit more about the pros. First, it has helpful guides that holds the customer's hand through every step of the way. It has a vast category of plans to keep you engaged for days. Also, it has one of the best customer support team I have ever seen, and each plan is so easy to follow for any woodworking amateur or expertise. So the cons. Well, it doesn't provide the 16,000 plans as it is advertised, but it has really tons of plans. And each plan are in PDF format, so you cannot edit it, which I think is a little bit bad. But it's also something that it wouldn't keep me from buying it. And this is only sold in their official website, so they have a limited time offer, which I think you should get it. And also, you can find the link in the description. You can buy it yours right now. Don't waste any more time. Thank you, and bye-bye.